Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to combine text to columns in Google Sheets. So in this case, I have the first and last name of a singers, and instead of you manually type in one by one like this, you can just use this formula to create or to combine these text to columns into one. So let's type in the formula. Just click on equal to and then use concatenate right here, and then choose the first value, the string one, and then comma and double quotation icon, this one's right here, and then space. You need to add a space in here, and then click on double quotation again, and then comma, and click on the second string, the string 2, and click on enter. Okay, as you can see, these two, for this first and last one, will combine like this. Don't forget the space because it will add space in between the first and last name, and you can just drag this to do the whole data. Okay, so that is how you can easily combine text to column. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial.